How's it going, everyone? So when I bought the F900R, I bought the Rider Pro option. I never installed this bad boy. The bike currently has like 1,500 miles on it, so I decided why not do a video just to demonstrate where it gets installed, to make sure you plug it in the right spot correctly, and also to go through the setting options with you guys. So stay tuned. The first step is we're gonna have to remove the seat. So now that we have removed the seat, this is the current view we are looking at. So we're gonna have to go down to where we have the little standard toolkit that BMW gives you, and simply just put your finger here, just unclip it. I already had it unclipped. Bam, that's it. And then what we're gonna look for, let's do this out of the way, shoot this guy right here. As you can see, it has a little cover, a little plug in there. Make sure you do remove it properly. It's kind of common sense. It has this little thing you press down here, and then you simply just pull on it. We have now successfully removed the little cover, and as you can see, the plug looks good. Nothing's damaged. Everything's done properly. It was a little tight. You did feel a little resistance, but don't be scared to pull it off. And here's the plug, making sure you install it the correct way. Make sure you hear a little click on it. Any kind of upgrades I do on my bike, I kind of don't like to throw things away. So I'm gonna go ahead and save this little cover. I never know when I'm gonna need it. Put it in the back in the bag. And then simply just put this bag together. See these little notches right there? 1, 2. See that guy? Should be on both ends. So just get one end in there, get the other end in, and then simply go down and click, boom, that's it. All right, we should be ready to fire her up. I did fire up the bike. It was a little too loud, to be talking over it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you how I set this up. As you can see, it's currently on Dynamic Pro, but when you connect the little plug-in, it's on to automatically set you up there, and it's on to show up on your screen. So you gotta go to your settings. So just go down to your menu, hit that button, then you're on your settings, go down, and then from there go to vehicle settings, and then scroll down, and then you're gonna have to do rider mode pre-selection, and then you could turn any of these off. And then Dynamic Pro should be checked off when you initially put this on. Let that car pass by, that sound like shit. But anyways, so yeah, it's gonna be checked off. So you're gonna go ahead and check it. So all you gotta do is just go like this. So I turned it off now, but go over. It's turned on, and that's it. So now you're in Rider Mode Pro. Because of that, you also unlock other things like your the shift light, if you don't want to see that on. Obviously sometimes it wants to come on a little early. The lap timer, RDC, alarm system, whatever you want to do to it. Alarm system is a separate option, so I'm getting a little ahead of myself, but yeah, that's how you turn it on. So my last video I did with the full exhaust install, the bike sounded good, but it did backfire a lot. I did get it tuned by Brand Tuning. I'll make another video talking about more in depth about it and my review towards it. And my backfiring cleared up a lot, and my bike sounds a lot healthier, a lot better. So I'm gonna fire her up just so you can see how she sounds. And go ahead and give me a thumbs up, drop a comment to see if you like it.